What did he do?
He's talking.
How does he talk?
Talking to the elephants.
Oh, the monkey was talking to the elephant.
What did the elephant do?
Do this.
What about, was there an alligator?
I want to see the alligator. And I see the alligator and giraffe.
What happened with the thunderstorm? What happened?
This is two thunderstorms.
And what happened?
I'm scared.
Was there lightning?
Yes.
What did the thunder sound like?
Boom.
What did you do when it happened?
It's starting to rain the thunders.
Did you go get in Mommy's lap?
Yes.
Were you scared?
Yes. It's not thunder anymore.
Not anymore. It's all over.
It's all over.
What did you eat?
What did you eat?
Pizza?
Pizza.
Pizza is my favorite. Pizza is my favorite.
What came with your pizza?
This.
Watermelon?
Ooh, pizza and watermelon. Delicious.
Mm-hmm.
I want to eat the one. Can you find watermelon?
Say, I have the power.
I have power.
He-Man.
Such a boy.
Hey, hey.
No.
You